Okay, so I got 3 fishing mystery boxes. First one of each. One monster bass, one lucky tackle box, one mystery tackle box. I'll probably keep getting all 3 for at least a few months so I can do proper review. I'm gonna open monster bass first. Got some information on the different seasons and fishing on the box. Everything you need to crush your PB, personal best. First item, Liquid Mayhem, no fish can resist. Garlic crawfish scent. Castaic original swim bait. Solid leg frog. Some BB Kicker by Big Baits. Medium Dive by Cotton Ordell. Some Yum Dingers. Z-Man Sling Blade. Some Ninja Craws by 13 Fishing. Little Monster Bass sticker. And some size 2 3-piece Mustag hooks. It's not bad for a first box. Definitely all items I will use. Next, we're going to open the Lucky Tackle Box. It's plain boxed inside. Welcome to Lucky Tackle Box. back to the basics box. Well, what's in the box card? Lucky Extras monofilament fishing line, 12-pound test, 75-yard spool. A classified top secret fishing pickle, Area 51, 4-inch. We got Producto Super Soft Watermelon Seed Tournament Grub, 4-inch. Rippin' Lips Shad, Visionary Outdoors, maybe the brand name Toad, Popper by Down Home Lures, ooh, Lunker Hut Walking Frog Kraken Series, some Gambler Burner Craw, enhanced with Gambler Bite, and same size, same amount of hooks, X-Point Sudden Deep Impact, offset wide gap. And a little Lucky Monthly Back to the Basics book, how to rig. Also not bad. I really like that Lunker Hunt. I'm still newer into fishing, so some brands I don't know well. Still, probably all things I will use. And let's go to Mystery Tackle Box. Catch and Win. Looks like they got a little contest going on. Little ruler on the box. Little pictures. ShopCarls.com. And we have a Googan Squad Flippin' Jig. A Googan Squad Filthy Frog. Two Daiichi World's Sharpest Hooks, quantity 2. I don't see a size. Maybe a 3, 4, 3. We have 10,000 Fish Yoda Worm, Irresistible Tickle Tail. Don't pay shipping to add your box. Item card. Tips and tricks from Mystery Tackle Box. Another sticker. Garlic salt impregnated Lake Fork trophy lures. A little bit of rig information on the back. Green pumpkin is my favorite color for the soft plastics. We got some pro tips on the Googan Squad Filthy Frog. And a little book on the Yoda Worm by 10,000 Fish. Shows you where to use them for the pair of those. So, those are my 3 boxes. Overall, I like them. I got a topwater frog in each of the boxes. All will be used, definitely. Reaction to it. I've never heard of Castaigne Z-Man. I will definitely be using this probably tomorrow. I've been meaning to get some scent, not necessarily by Liquid Mayhem or by Mayhem, but a brand I have heard of. Yum Dinger's always good. Everybody knows Mustad. Biggest standout in this one, definitely the Lunkerhunt Walking Frog in the Kraken series. X-Point, obviously. The Mustads are more well known to me, at least. And this one, these I don't remember where, I've just heard about them. World's Sharpest Hook. And biggest standout in these are both the Googan Squad, with the Eat Me Frog. This is my brother's favorite brand, so he's got me hooked. I usually like the Z-Man, but their jigs I like better. I usually use Z-Man Ned rigs. Well, Monster, Bass, and Lucky Tackle definitely came with more items, but I think even though there were less items with 5, I'm more impressed with the mystery tackle box with the 2 Googan items that will get immediate use. Obviously, you can't scoff at the Lunker Hunt. Definitely be using these also. Everything's gonna get used. All of them well worth the money I spent. I am just a little bit happier with the mystery tackle box. So, I guess I will be back next month with all 3 again. Probably one more time after that before I make a informed decision. If you're watching this video trying to find out what you may get, don't want to order all 3, don't worry, I decided to do it for you. Have a good one, guys.